So we're feeding the dogs their fresh food. This is Una. Hi, Una. Badger. Badger and Una. Would you like your dinner? Do you want your din-din? Oh. Okay, well we're going to bring you your dinner now. Let's see if you like it. Do you like your dinner? Oh my goodness gracious, jumping dogs. Hungry, not yours, Grimmy. Hungry, hungry hippos. Okay, put Badgers down. Okay, Badger, no, that's not yours. Here's Badgers. Now Una gets hers in her crate. Are you excited for your dinner, Una? Do you like that, guys? So there's Una, chowing down on her dinner. There's Badger, who normally we have to kind of coerce him to eat, chowing down on his fresh food. So I would say that they like it.